Here is a thought. Next time someone funny Jigsaw face mask I hate people shirt runs into an anti-masker in a store, take off your mask. Stand really close to that person and say I tested positive for COVID yesterday and see how they react. Been dying to be in that spot. I was going to try. Funny Jigsaw face mask I hate people shirt. Tank top. V-neck. Ladies tee for men and women. Sweatshirt. Hoodie. So for example, to non-Midwesterners, mask comes out sounding almost like May funny Jigsaw face mask I hate people shirt ask. But this creature's other idiosyncrasies, like Ox Mercier, are her own brand of fuckery. Not a Midwestern trait. She just thinks she gains credibility by overpronouncing stuff. It's Ohio. And she definitely has the worst one I've ever heard. Mandate. That guy showed some cool. Meanwhile, she's breathing her skanky breath at him. I have the right to infect anyone I want. I don't have time. Talk to someone over the phone. Other products.